Hello and welcome to another quick video from HTS. Just want to do a quick overview of a very popular product, the PlantTag. First introduced these tags back in 2018. The green ready for hire, the awaiting check yellow, and under repair red tags. So over 150,000 tags out there now, working on construction sites all over the UK. But since the start of this year, we've introduced a new custom option we can add to your tags, where we can print both the text of your requirement and your logo on the tag, which makes it completely bespoke to yourself. Either the message that you want on the tag, the colour of the tag, and also, as previously stated, your own logo. So it makes the tag completely unique and brings your branding to the tag itself. Check out the link below for more details. Full details on the website, how to go about ordering these tags with your own artwork. We can create the artwork for you, you can supply the artwork, we can produce to your specifications. Look forward to hearing from you.